All right, so hi, how are you?
Hi, good. You?
Good, thank you. So today we are going to see when to use a, an, and when not to use it. All right. So these are what we use before nouns. So for example, when you're talking about a house, as you saw, I use a. So a house. And when I talk about oranges, I don't put anything. And if I talk about an apple, I put n. So now I will explain the rules. So as you can see on the screen right here, I wrote them all down. So you use a before a noun with a consonant. Okay. So do you remember what consonants are?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's either like C, S, so everything apart from vowels. Then you use N before a noun with a vowel. For example, um, an apple, once again. And the only exception is when there is an S at the end of a noun. We don't use either A or N, okay? So we don't put anything in front of it. So this might be hard, but once you work with it and once you learn the rules by heart, it'll be easier. All right, so now I'll just move to my other screen. So would you like to remind me the rules before we watch a little quick video?
Uh, okay. A with consonant,
Mm-hmm.
N with voyelle.
Yes, very good. And do you remember what
Attends, là,
the
on peut sortir.
exceptions? There's always an
Uh,
exception. It's not like in French.
oh, plural.
Yes,
S.
yes, very good. So when it's plural, you don't put anything. So now we'll just
Yeah.
watch this quick little video. Sometimes it's easier to remember with these. Oops.
One.
Able to do the first one?
Answer? A.
And
No, N.
yeah,
Uh,
very good.
N.
So now I'll just go with the other one.
Articles. The use of
Mm.
a and an. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet.
So this is what I was talking about earlier. So these are all the consonant. So it's like in French mostly, except for the Y. It's the only difference. In French, it's a vowel, but in English, it's considered a consonant. So sometimes it could be harder to distinguish, but here it's all written down.
Out of which we have 5 vowel and 21 consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and all the rest alphabets are called consonants. Now we learn about the use of a and an. We write an before a word that begins with the vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U. We use an to introduce a singular noun. For example, an egg, an elephant, an octopus, an engine, an igloo, an umbrella. All these words are named.
Would you be able to find other words with a consonant as the first letter? Words that you use
Apple.
with a consonant. Apple,
Oh,
it's
uh,
A, so it's a vowel. So
yeah. Boat.
a boat, very good.
Mm,
Oh, sorry, you were right.
computer.
It was for vowels. Sorry, I got mixed up. It's for vowels. So you can, yeah, you
Yeah.
did right. Sorry.
Uh, apple,
So an apple, very good.
orange,
An orange. Excellent.
Mm,
One last word. It could be fruits.
mm,
Most fruits start with, not most, but some fruits start with a vowel.
iPad.
An iPad. Very good.
Of either things or animals, which begin from the vowel sound. Now let's know about the use of a. We use a before a word that begins with the consonant. There are 21 consonants in English alphabet. All the letters other than vowels are called consonants. We use a to introduce a singular noun. For example, a chair, a car, a ball, a dog, a tree, a house, and many more.
Would you like to find words that start with consonants?
Mm, bird.
A bird. Very good.
Candle.
A candle.
Mm, bed.
A bed. Excellent.
All these words are noun. They are either name of animal or things. These words begin from the consonant. Now let's see few practice questions. Take the correct article in each sentence.
All right, so in this one, my friend has blank pet dog. So
mm,
is it my friend has a pet dog or my friend has an pet dog?
uh,
Yes, very good. Wise. Why do you use a?
uh, P.
Yes,
Consonant.
very good. So I eat a apple every day or I eat an apple every day. This one you mentioned earlier.
Um,
And very good. Mother is a doctor or my mother is an doctor.
um, mm,
What is D? Is it a consonant or is it a vowel?
oh, A.
Yes, very good. So my mother is a doctor. I bought a umbrella for my friend or I bought an umbrella for my friend.
A, N.
Yes, very good. Both sounded quite good, so it was kind of confusing,
Mm,
but it's N.
yeah.
Perfect. So now that we watched the video, we are going to, oops, you will be allowed to open the document that I created. Since I shared it, you'll be able to, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. You'll be able to write down your answers while I see what you are writing. So if you could please take the time to open it.
Yes. Email.
Yes. No, it's on a drive.
Mm,
Yeah, very good. So now what you will have to do will be pretty much the same thing that you did in the last part of the video. So you'll have to write in front right here, yes, either A or N, and write down here where you click there, where I write hi here. You'll write the reason why you used A or N. It's okay to come back to the slides and change what you wrote. So we can start with the three first ones. So you can go ahead and start with whichever you would like. And then once you're done with all three, we'll correct them. And then we'll be able to move on to the next three slides. Does that sound good? Yes. Could
Mhm.
you remind me one more time about the rules?
A consonant
A is before a consonant, excellent. And N,
and
vowel, yes.
voyelle.
Very good. So you can go ahead and start. Oh, did you forget the exception? What's the exception?
Mm. Word and with S.
Yes.
Plural.
Yeah, very good. Plural nouns. We don't put anything before them. So you can go ahead.
Okay. Mm. Next.
Yeah, you can do all three and then we'll correct them. I won't say anything
Oh. Mm.
before. Yeah. Very good.
Done.
So we'll see the first one. So right here you said an orange, which sounds really good. It's O is a vowel. So we'll just highlight it right there. So when I started out, this really helped me see which I had to use, like either A or N. So I highlighted the first letters. So an orange, you got it right. Very good. So a frog, once again, F is a consonant. So we can just highlight it like this. So consonant. And the last one, this is another consonant. So it's a dog. Very good. So now you can do the three next ones. So cat, ice cream, and shoes.
Mhm. Mm. Finished.
Perfect. So we'll start out with cat. So here we said C is a consonant. So we'll just highlight it. So a cat. Very good. As well, you put the description of why. Then ice cream. So you wrote a ice cream, which sounds quite right, but actually it's an ice cream. Why? Because I is a vowel. All right. So would you
Cream.
like to change? Oh, you took the
Mm.
cream. You used, okay, I
Mhm.
see
Yeah.
why you got mixed up. Yeah, but we always use the one that's closest to the noun. All right. So in this case, it would be ice. So would you like to change the reason down below? Yes, very good. So just be careful when there's words like these. These can be quite confusing. So then we move on with shoes. All right, so here you said it was a vowel. And we use A before vowels. Are you sure?
Oh, a consonant.
Consonant.
No.
Yes. Very good. So you can write consonant, but then we'll see why still it's not the right answer. So do you remember the exception that we talked about earlier?
Yes,
It's right here.
S.
Yeah, so there's an S. So when there's an S, there's nothing, right? So you can remove A and change the explanation. Can write S, so nothing. Yeah, very good. Perfect. So for example, if I say, what could be an example? Where I would like a shoe, or I would like shoes. You see the difference? Yes? Very good. Oops, sorry. Okay. Then we'll move on to slide number 7. So you can do 7 and 8. Okay, so we'll do shorter ones, so it'll be easier for you to go over your answers. You can take your time to think about your answers. Very good. All right, so we'll go over the first one. So a goat, why? Because G is a consonant. So we'll just highlight these right there. Very good. So this one is correct. And then we'll see a duck. So once again, D is a consonant. So we use A before. Then you can do the two next ones. A spider, and then done. All right. So here you wrote a spiders. So let's see right there. This is a consonant.
Consonant.
Very good. But what's at the end of the word right here? What do we see? There's a S. Yeah. So
Plural.
that's the exception. So you could change your answer. Sometimes reading it out loud will help you. You'll hear it a lot more. Very good. So there's an S at the end. And then here, very good. I saw that you changed your answer because A is a vowel. So it's an apple.
Yes.
So now you can do the three last ones.
Mm, big. Yeah, finished.
We're done? Very good. So here we have fish. So the first letter right here, as you wrote down, is a consonant. So we use a fish. So a fish. Then right here, baby. Oh, very good. So you saw the S at the end. So even if
Yes.
the first letter is a consonant, we don't use a before because it would sound really weird. A babies, as I heard you say out loud. And then right here, so you is, oh, you had it right down. You said it's a consonant. So if it's a consonant, what do you put? You put A, but here, you, what is you?
Oh, and
The
it's
right, yeah, you
vowel.
had the right logic, but with the wrong letter. All right, very good. So since you are able to create basic sentences, I'll now create another slide where you will have to write 5 sentences using words from the exercise above, right here. And I want you to, as I said, it's write basic sentences, but I want you to use a period. Whoops, I'll just say write down 5 sentences using words from the exercise above, using a or n or nothing. All right. And then we'll correct them together.
Mhm.
So you can do that right now. You can even use 2 words if you would like in one sentence. But you have to have 5 sentences. You're done?
Finished. Yes.
Okay, very good. So we'll start with the first one. So I have a cat and a dog. This is very good. So you used A and A right there before D and C, so which are both consonants. So you use the correct rule. Then, oops, I like an ice cream. You could also write I like to eat an ice cream, which would make your sentence maybe longer and more complete, but very good. Once again, you used the correct rule. So you put N before a vowel. Then, I do not like a spiders. So here, you had it right in the exercise. There's an S. So would you like to change something from your sentence?
Yeah. Do not like spiders.
Yeah, I do not like spiders. Very good. I have shoes. Very good. So here you applied it. You didn't put anything before since shoes has an S. And lastly, I like an oranges. So this would be correct if there weren't
Mm,
an S. Yes, you saw your mistake. So you
yeah.
can change it.
Okay.
Very good.
Yes.
So now are you ready to do a little quiz that will help you like finish off the lesson? Yes, you feel confident? Yes, very good. So
Yes.
already did the first one, but we'll do the other ones after. All right.
An insect. 2.
Uh,
Yes,
a
a key.
key. Yeah.
I really think the other exercises help you
Yes.
a lot, so I think this will go really smooth.
Yes.
So a key.
A key. 3.
Mm, a egg, an egg, and
Very good. Excellent. Since E is
An
a
egg.
vowel.
mm,
4.
a house.
Very good.
House. 5.
I won't stop the video, so you can just say them out loud.
A horse.
Horse. Very good.
A horse. 6.
An
So an
An
elephant.
elephant. 7.
mm, an
An orange. Very good.
An orange. 8.
a
A computer. Excellent.
A computer. 9.
a
A giraffe.
A giraffe. 10.
an
An umbrella. Very good.
An umbrella. 11.
a bear.
Very good.
12.
A
tortoise. 13.
Saw it earlier.
N.
Very good.
An ice cream. 14. Carrot.
Very good.
15.
N.
An apple.
An apple.
Did you like the little quiz?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So now we'll just do one last quick recap of everything. I know we talked about these rules a lot for today, but I'll send you the Canva so you'll be able to refer to them in case you need them. So it's before a noun with consonant, N before a noun with a vowel, and the exception right here is, we'll just circle it to make it, oops, we'll just circle it to make it very clear. Oops. Like this. If there's an S at the end of a word, we don't put neither A or N.
Mm.
Very good. So thank you a lot for coming.
Nothing.
Nothing. No, nothing. So we don't put
Nothing.
A
Okay.
or N, like spiders. Remember, I do not like spiders. You don't say I do not like a spiders. Perfect. So thank you a lot for coming to today's class. We'll see each other for the next lesson. Right.
Okay.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.